Is Photon Sol your ticket to Solana riches, or just another shooting star destined to burn out? Let's find out. First, what exactly is Photon Sol? In a nutshell, it's a platform promising something on the Solana blockchain. The exact features vary depending on which iteration you are looking at, but it always boils down to a faster, better, slicker way to earn rewards on Solana. Now, let's dive into user testimonials. Tread carefully here. Search for genuine feedback beyond the hype. Red flags include overly enthusiastic, bot-like comments, or accounts with very few followers. And remember, past performance is never a guarantee of future results. Security is paramount. A legitimate platform must have robust security protocols. Look for audits by reputable firms, transparent security practices, and open source code whenever possible. If they're hiding their code, run the other way. Dig into the operational practices. Are the fees reasonable? Are the mechanisms clear and understandable? If you can't explain how it works, you probably shouldn't be using it. Bonus points for a clear and responsive customer support team. The Solana ecosystem is full of innovation, but always remember to do your own research. Ask tough questions, scrutinize the details, and only invest what you can afford to lose. That's the key to staying safe in the wild world of crypto.